Yes. Hello, my Syrian. Hi.
Hi. Hello, teacher.
Yeah, I thought
I have fever.
right now
I have fever.
you are having a fever.
Yes,
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Do you want to reschedule our class?
Sabi, TV rin. Banana. O, ini. Ha?
Do you want to reschedule our class, Miss Ear, because you have a fever?
I don't.
Really? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, but tell me if something's wrong in your body or if you are having a headache, okay?
Yes.
Okay, but why did you have a fever, Miss Ear?
I don't think.
Why? Why do you think? Do you have a fever now?
I don't think so.
Ah, did you take a medicine? What medicine is it, Miss Ear? What medicine did you take?
I don't. I don't medicine. Yes.
Ah, okay. Didn't take any medicine?
Yes.
Ah, I see. Can you say it again, Miss Ear? Did you take any medicine?
I don't take any medicine.
Oh
Ai,
no.
bé thôi.
Do you have do you have a cool fever, Miss Ear? Something you put
Yes.
on your forehead? You should try it. Did you catch a cold?
It's not.
Ah, how about cough? A cough and a fever?
Yes.
Oh no. But did you are you experiencing a headache? Are you experiencing any pain or headache?
It's not. It's so. It's. It's not.
Ah, okay. Ah, I see. Okay. I don't feel any pain. Can you say it again?
I don't feel anything.
Ah, okay. That's great, Nazir. Okay, so where are you now, Mazirian?
Uh,
Where are you now?
it's
Ah, your dad.
yes.
Ah, I see. I'm at my father's office. Father's office. Can you see it again, Mazirian?
I'm at my father's office.
Oh, wow. That's great. So what time will you go home today, Mizir?
It's 4 p.m.
Ah, 4 p.m. I see. That's great. Okay. About for breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
Your breakfast? Oh, you ate your breakfast. What did you eat, Miss Ear?
I don't eat breakfast.
No?
I don't eat.
Why? It's late. You should eat your breakfast now.
As I don't like eat breakfast.
Ah, I see. Maybe you should eat bread,
Yes.
bread or milk. You should eat milk and bread. Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Ear. Okay, so how about, oh, wow, finally, today is Friday, my dear. Ooh, are you excited for the weekend?
It's not.
Why?
I'm fever.
Ah, you're not feeling well?
Yes.
Oh, no. So maybe you should, mm, hmm, rest. You should take a rest for tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes, you need to stay at home, is here.
No, I can class English class.
At home. Ah, you can take any English classes at home?
Yes.
Oh, how about tomorrow? Do you have any classes tomorrow?
Yes.
English classes?
Yes.
Oh, with a Vietnamese teacher?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I see. So that's sad, Brazil. But maybe you should take a break. Only for a day.
Yes.
Only for a day. You should take a rest, Miss Ear.
Yes.
Okay, since you aren't feeling well today, let's go to the lesson. Okay, we will continue, Miss Ear. Okay, okay, let's see. Where did we end? Villa and
What kind of
ah, seven. Ah, okay. Unit 2. Okay. Okay, so Miss Irian, now we will play a game.
Yes.
Okay, what's she doing or what's he doing? You need to guess what are they doing.
Hả?
You need to guess what are they
Cứ ra thì tiếng
doing.
nghe. What is she doing?
Okay.
See?
What's she doing, Miss Ear? Oh no, what's he doing?
She's watching the mail.
Okay, very good. He's writing an email.
Is writing an email.
Okay, very good. Next.
They singing.
What are they doing?
They are dancing.
Very good. Good job. They are dancing. Okay.
He he selfie.
Yes, very good. Again, Miss Yan, he is taking a.
He's taking a selfie.
Okay, very good. Correct, Miss Next. What are they doing?
They are singing.
Good job. Very good. I like that. Next.
They are do party.
Yes, very good. Again.
Enjoying party.
Okay, very good. Okay, next.
He eating.
Um, okay, what is he doing, Miss Yan?
He is eating a sandwich.
Very good. Next.
He is glasses.
Okay, he is wearing.
Wearing sunglasses.
Okay, very good. Sunglasses. Next one.
Uh,
Oh, job well done, I see you were able to
yes.
answer the activity. Good job. So this time, oh, okay. You need to write true or false.
Two things. Emily is eating a sandwich. Jenny is writing an email.
Mm-hmm.
Jared is singing. Josie is wearing sunglasses. Simon is enjoying the party.
Mm-hmm.
Jack and Rachel are dancing. Martin isn't isn't taking a selfie.
Okay, so all you need to do, Yan, is you need to write T if it is true or F if it's false. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. We have two examples, Mizir. This is, where is Emily? Let's see. Here. No, here. Emily is eating a sandwich. It's
Two.
true. Look at her. Okay.
Emily is eating a sandwich. It's true.
Okay, very good. Where is Jenny?
Jenny is white and Jenny is red book.
Yes, very good. Jenny is reading.
Book.
Very good. So you should write F, Mizir. Okay, can you please? Yeah, Jenny, correct. Next, Jared is singing. Where is Jared?
Oh,
What?
is
Are you
she?
sure?
Yes.
What is he doing, Mizir?
His selfie.
Are you sure, Jared?
Is a
What is he doing, Mizir?
oh why? Yes, she is singing.
Okay, you should. Okay, T or F? T or F?
T F T.
Okay. Okay, you should write your answer, Miss here. Okay, very good. He is.
He is singing.
Okay, very good. Next one, Miss Yurian.
Is Josie is wearing sunglasses. Josie. Susie is yes. Choose.
True?
Yes, choose.
Oh, can you say it again, Miss here? True.
This is
Okay, true. Let's see. Wow, you're doing great, my dear Yen. Very good. I like that. All right, next one.
Simon enjoy party. False.
Why? Where is he, Miss here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. Is he happy?
It's not.
Oh, yes, he is not. Very good. Good job, my dear Yen. Okay, next one.
Jack and Rachel is this. Yes, choose.
True.
Matty
Okay.
isn't taking a selfie. Isn't false.
Yes, very good. Wow, you got a perfect score, my Syrian. Good job. Okay. What is he doing, my dear?
He is selfie. Take a selfie.
Yes, yes, very good. He is taking a selfie.
See, he is taking a selfie.
Okay, very good. So we use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now. Okay, we form the present continuous with to be or to have. Okay, let's see.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we are using isn't or is. Okay, you need to describe the picture, my dear Yan, using the example here. You should write what is he doing. Okay? Okay. Can you please write your answer, Miss Here? Or maybe you should tell teacher.
Curry, Telly, Android.
She is she writing, Miss Yan?
Yes?
Is she writing?
Yes. And is he reading?
Okay. She isn't writing.
She isn't writing. She is reading.
Wow, job well done, Nigerian. Good job. I like that. Okay, next one.
She watching TV. She is listen. She isn't watching TV. She is listening to music.
Wow, you're so good. Good job. Wow, you are improving, Nigerian. I like that. Okay, next one.
Laughing.
Okay, they.
They are they laughing. They are crying.
Okay, they aren't laughing.
Crying.
They aren't laughing.
They are laughing.
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 Very good. I like that. Good job, Miss Yan. Very good. Okay, again, Miss Yan. They aren't laughing. They
They
are.
are. They are.
What are they doing?
They are.
Crying.
They are crying.
Okay, very good. Again, they are crying.
They are crying.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. Oh, you got a perfect score, my dear. Congratulations. Okay, so we need to listen and select the correct answer, Miss Year. Where is the
Oh wait.
Oh, there's no audio here.
Yes.
So how would we know? Okay, let's see. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Okay, let's just.
Oh wow.
Okay. You just need to read, Miss Yurian.
Are you sitting down? Are your friends sitting near you? I don't think so. I don't need.
Are you sitting down, Miss Yurian? Oh, so you need to answer me, Miss Yur. Are you sitting down right now?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, yes, I are.
Okay, very good. Are your friends sitting near you?
Yes.
Your friends?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, they.
Yes, they are.
Okay. Is your teacher helping you?
No, they are.
No, she
I know.
isn't.
No, she isn't.
Okay, no, she isn't. All right, next one, Mizir. Okay, so we will learn different vocabularies. Okay, what's the first vocabulary, Mizir?
Bedroom.
Room.
Okay, very good. Bathroom.
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Correct, very good. Do you like your bedroom, Mizir?
Yes.
Oh, what things do you like to do? Or what are the things that you can see inside your bedroom?
Yes.
Uh-huh. What are the things that you can see inside your bedroom, Mizirian?
Yes. Also, I know that.
Can you see a mirror?
Yes.
Okay, how about a blanket?
Is blankets.
Uh-huh.
I don't need a blanket.
Why?
I don't like it.
I see. Okay, can you see a clock inside your bedroom?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me, Mizir, what are the things that you can see inside your bedroom? Can you give me five things that you can
I
see?
like my bed and my bookshelf.
Ah, okay. Bookshelf. What else? Bookshelf.
Yes. And my my table.
Okay.
Oh, anything.
Okay. All right. Next one, Mizir. Next, Mizir.
In the room. Dining room.
Okay. Dining.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Okay. Very good. Again, Mizir Yan. Dining room.
Dining room.
Okay. So what do you usually do in the dining
My
room?
bed, my house is don't have dining room.
Why? So where do you usually eat, Mizir?
Is it in living room?
Ah, I see. Okay. It's okay. Okay. What is it?
Garage.
Garage.
Okay. Can you see it again?
Garage.
Okay. Do you have a garage, Mizir?
No,
Why?
my house is only and is Don Villa. Is this Don Villa?
Ah, but I thought you have a car, right? You have a car. So where do you park your car? Inside your gate?
Again?
Where do you park your car, Miss Sierra? At home. Where do you park your car?
Is secret.
Okay, it's a secret.
Yes, it's secret.
Okay, I like that. It's a secret. Okay. Next one we have.
Garden.
Wow. It's a garden. Yay. Do you have a garden at home?
In in my parents' house.
Do you have a garden?
No,
Why?
my in my in my uh in my parents' house.
Ah, I see. At home.
Not
Where?
in my parents.
Ah, you aren't living with your parents?
Near.
Ah, okay, near. Oh, do you like garden?
Yes, I
Oh,
like that.
what are the plants that you want to plant inside your garden?
I don't think it's uh
Maybe you should plant onion, garlic, tomato, vegetables and fruits.
Yes, it's visible.
How about maybe you could plant uh hmm no, you can't plant an apple. Maybe a strawberry? Is it possible?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Next one, Miss Ear.
Hole.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Kitchen.
Okay, again, Miss Ear.
kitchen,
Kitchen.
Okay, correct. Kitchen. Next one. Okay. What do you usually do in the kitchen, Miss Ear?
Yes.
What do you do?
I uh,
What do you do inside the kitchen?
I cook in the kitchen.
Exactly, my dear. So you cook inside your kitchen.
I cook in
Oh,
the kitchen.
okay. Do you like cooking, Miss Ear?
Yes.
Okay. What what's your favorite food to cook?
Egg.
Ah, so you like egg.
Yes.
How about chicken?
No, this is not.
Ah, but your brother likes chicken, right?
Yes.
He likes chicken and you don't like chicken. Ah, I see. Okay. Next one. Okay.
Living room.
living room,
Living room
Okay. Living room. Oh, what do you usually do inside the living room is here?
is
What do you usually do inside the living room is here?
is receive guests.
Hmm. You receive guests?
Yes.
Okay. You receive guests inside the living room. How about eating?
What what TV or read book or anything.
Okay. How about eating?
Eating in the living room.
Do you usually eat inside the living room?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Next one. Okay. Hmm. Okay, again, Miss Zirian, can you please?
Bathroom. Bathroom. Bedroom. Dining room. Gardens. Garden. A garage. Garden.
Garage.
Garage. Garden. Hall. Kitchen. Living room.
Okay, very good. Living room. Okay, so let's review, Miss Zirian, if you could still remember these vocabularies. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, wait. Uh,
Okay. Can you please read, Miss Zirian?
Roman days is coming the missus for the father and suggests is to support more with sure as with the every secret
Precious.
precious gift for her. She will be very happy about that.
Yes, very good. Can you see it again, Miss Yan? Women's Day.
Women's Day.
Okay, very good. Mission.
Mission.
Okay, correct. Stuff.
Stop.
Precious.
Precious.
Okay, precious gifts. Okay, so let's do this, Miss Yan. Let's play.
Dining room.
Okay, what's your answer, Miss Year? A, B? Oh, can you circle your answer because we have to B?
Is again
Okay.
Dining room.
dining room. A. A.
Okay. Dining room, correct. Next one. Okay.
B. Bedroom.
Wow, very good. Next one. Oh, baby care.
A. Garden.
Wow, very
Oh.
good. Next one. Ah, okay, we are done with this one. Let's go to this one.
Garage.
Garage.
Letter
C.
Okay, very good. Okay. Hmm. Okay, where is the living room, Nigerian?
Living room. D. Living room.
This one?
D.
Okay, D. All right, very good, Miss here. Okay, next.
Is bathroom.
Oh, very good. Bathroom. Okay.
Hall.
Again.
Hall.
C. Home.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job, Miss here.
Kitchen.
D. Kitchen.
Oh, I'm sorry, D. Okay. Good job. Finish. Okay, good job, my dear. All right, so it's your now turn to write your answers. You need to choose your answers from the box and you need to label it.
Yes.
Taratan tan tan taran, taratatan tan tan, taratatan tan tan, tararara. Very good.
Mình rất là chi rồi đó đi. Vợ kiểu.
Oh,
Đang học mà. Đang viết cái bài. Tao đang viết. What the fuck? Đọc chưa bao giờ? Từ từ tí đã nghe thấy. Từ từ rồi tí hãng nghe thấy. Không có đâu mà. Hồ. Mình vừa vào xong rồi cái tay như này. Ok.
oh, hold.
Nghe cái gì chưa? Các bác thì giờ.
Final?
Ờ.
Final answer, Mizirian?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to change anything? Do you want to change anything? Okay, do you want to know the answer? Do you want to know if your answers are correct?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Oh, for number one, it's given. So this is a bedroom. How about number two? Good job. Number three. Wow, garage. Correct. Next one. What's number four? Oh, it's a kitchen. Number five. Wow, correct. Garden, dining room, and living room. Wow, you're so good, Nazir. You got another perfect score. Wow, you are improving, my dear Yan. Good job. Okay. So you need to listen and tell me what room are they in? Okay.
Unit 2. Vocabulary. Exercise 2. 1.
Hiểu rồi.
Okay, what room is it, Miss Ear?
It's bedroom. A bathroom.
Okay, very good. It's a bathroom.
2.
Okay, what room is it? Again?
3.
Oh. Okay, what's number 2, Miss Ear?
Number 2 is bathroom.
Bedroom?
Bathroom.
Bathroom?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, how about number 3?
It's living room.
What room is it? What is it, Miss Ear?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's garden.
Oh, garden?
Garage.
Okay, garage. Can you see it again?
Garage.
Okay. Next.
4. 5.
Oh, what's 4, Miss Ear? What's 4, Miss Irian? You know?
Yes, I know.
Okay, what's number 4? Oh, it's to be like that. Oh, okay.
Again?
I'm not sure.
I'm home.
That's number 5. Okay, number 4 is bedroom. Okay, this is number 5.
Again?
Oh, okay, let's play it again. Okay, let's play again, Miss Ear.
Yes.
Okay, you need to.
Unit 2. Vocabulary. Exercise 2. 1.
Bathroom.
Okay.
2.
Hả?
3.
Again, what's number 2?
Is got it.
Now you can hear
Number 2 is
fork and spoon.
bathroom. Number 1 is bathroom.
Number 2. You can hear spoon and fork.
Is
It's dining room.
Dining room.
Okay, next one. Okay, what is it?
Garden.
Huh?
Garage.
Okay, very good.
4.
Okay, what's number 4? Mm, what's that? Where is that? When you just woke up, you are in a bedroom.
Bathroom.
Okay.
Bedroom.
Yes, very good.
5.
I'm home.
Oh, okay. Where is he, Miss Ear?
6.
Okay, again, Miss Irian, where is he? I'm home.
Is living room.
Okay, let's see. A hall. Okay, number 6.
In garden.
I think I can hear cooking. Someone is cooking.
Oh, is yes.
What is
Yes,
it?
cooking is in kitchen.
Okay, very good. Next one.
7.
I received a letter.
Okay, what is it? I think it's a TV. A TV, Miss Ear.
Is in living room.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Unit 2. Vocabulary. Exercise 2.
Ah!
1.
What's number 8? Ah, yeah. Okay, very good, Miss Ear. That's it. Okay, let's have a review. Okay, let's decorate. Okay, can you please...
My favorite dishes in this room. Can you give what room is this? Is kitchen.
Okay, very good. Correct. Next one. Okay, can you please read, Miss Irian? Where is the sound of someone watering the plants? Can you guess where is it?
Someone garden.
Okay, very good. It's a garden. Correct. Next one. You can watch. You can watch TV in this room, it's here. What is it? What room is it? What room is it, Miss Irian? You can watch.
It's living room.
Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Very good. Next one.
Oh, yes. So
Okay.
nothing used.
What room is it, Miss Irian?
Bathroom.
Okay, very good. Bathroom. All right, next one. Okay, there is a bed. And you can lie on it, Miss Irian, when you go to sleep. Can you guess what room is it? What room is it, Miss Irian? Is it the living room?
It is a bedroom.
Okay, very good. A bedroom. Next one. I'm hungry. I'm going down to this room to eat something. Okay, can you guess, Miss Irian, what room is it? What room is it, Miss Irian? Is it the bathroom?
It is dining room.
Okay, again, dining room. Okay, wow, you did well today, Miss Irian. Very good. Yay. You were
Yes.
able to guess different parts of the house. You were able to complete the activities. Good job. And you were able to listen, read well, answers my questions in complete sentences. Good job. Yay. So you need to take your medicine, Miss Irian. Get well soon. And
Yes.
I will see you again next week. Goodbye, Miss Irian. Take care.
Yes. Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you again next week.